I- I've been able to I've been able to write my code and deploy my machine learning model and it's working on my local. So the next step that I want to do is I want to deploy it so I'll be able to share link because presently we're just working on my system. I've not I've been able to deploy it, but I'm having errors. I'm having errors. So now this is how the model works. You impute a particular horsepower that you need a car to have, and you put torque, you put the torque, then it should be from the list of all the car that we have inside BMW, then to the size, inside BMW, then you want a wagon or a sedan, then choose the engine aspiration, and I think I need the forward drive. So when I've done doing that, it will predict. So what it does is that it takes this input, it gives it to our model, and when you put it to our model, it gives us a predicted price, MSRP. Okay. So this particular model, what it does is that it gets the manufacturer to retail price. Period. So this is a a chart that's showing a future importance. What it means is that what are those features in our model that really determine what is going to get us the price of so this is it. This is my code running locally. You get so you see that the horsepower and the torque and the body size determine the price, the MSRP that is the manufacturing price of a car. So this model is giving us an accuracy of 2% and a minimal uh mean absolute error in terms of but I think they can still be tweaking and weird, but this is just a basic to an first deployment of Streamlit. And so deploy to cloud. I've done that already, but I'm having error because the the thing is trying to tell me that is unable to identify a particular file. So this images now yeah, but I'll be able to solve that question. So this is code. Here's my code that I use to run the see if it's running locally on my and so this is the code I use to run my Streamlit app. So what it does is that here my necessary input is I import my model. This is where my model comes in. Then this is where the feature importance, the chart I saw here, this chart I saw here, this chart here. That is where it is. Then we try to load the pictures, those pictures and images that is on the sidebar. This is the one that is on the side, as this one. This one that is on the side. Then now this is the input. These are those inputs that we input here. What are this input? We get so what this particular function does is that it takes simple input, the horsepower, the torque, the meat, the body size, engine aspiration and everything, and it return a dictionary. And then this dictionary, they return a dictionary of these other tasks because all the information is gotten. So we cannot just put those information into the model. We have to make them to be an array. You understand? We have to make them to be an array. So we're going there. So this is it. This is the part that prepared the input. So it takes in those inputs and it returns a numpy array. You understand? You return a numpy array. Then these are the features that we have in the model for that was trained. So then this is the button that done the prediction. So here we just get the input and put this input as a user data and the futures. You understand that we want to. What is this one now? So take the input and the pseudo. This is the code that does that. So but then this is the part. Let me take us to this is the code that does that. So it's running locally on my system. You just need to put all your features here and then you predict it gives you a predicted price. So this is a notebook. This is me moving my model from a notebook something that's in deployed. So so that is what we are doing and we are happy for the progress. So this is the part where we worked on the model and try to see which information is important and which one is not important. You understand? So that is it. That's all for our model. So I'm going to deploy it live and I'll share the link after this post, for instance, so that you'll be able to use it and just make prediction of any car that you have.